Hey friends, let's make a crustless pizza. This is always so good. It's low carb and it's one of our favorite go-to recipes. We're going to start off with 1 pound of breakfast sausage, and I am using turkey breakfast sausage. You can use pork, but I have the alpha gal syndrome. I can't have pork and beef and a few other things, but most of you know that, but some of my new viewers may not. And then I like to add just a half a teaspoon of sage to this turkey sausage because it makes it taste more like pork sausage. And if I'm not making sausage patties, I just mix it up right there in the skillet. And we are going to scramble this in the iron skillet. And the wonderful thing about this recipe is that you can always just simply use ground beef. You don't have to use breakfast sausage. You can throw bacon in here, whatever you like. I am going to add 1 whole red bell pepper diced. I did put this in the microwave for 1 minute to soften that red bell pepper. We're going to add half of a yellow onion diced. And again, I put that in the microwave and softened it for about 1 minute. Yes, I could have scrambled that bell pepper and onion with my breakfast sausage, but I chose to do it this way. If you're using ground beef in this, you're going to want to add some oregano. That's really good in this. Add 1 small sliced tomato. You can use pizza sauce, spaghetti sauce, whatever sauce you like on top of this. I am using, I believe it's ragu, garlic and herb sauce, and we're just going to put that right on top. I did not use this entire can. I will save part of it to make soup with, and it's also great over ramen noodles. You will need about 2 cups of sauce. This was a 24-ounce can, and I used 2/3 of it. You can personalize this any way you want to. You can omit whatever I've added if you don't like it and add your favorites. But I'm going to top that spaghetti sauce with some turkey pepperoni. My camera cut off, but I did add about 1 cup of mushrooms and about 1/2 cup of black olives. We love mushrooms and black olives. So once you've got that topped and you've got all the toppings in there that you like, then we're going to add some mozzarella cheese on top. I added about 1.5 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. I will put the ingredients in the description for you. And then once you've got your cheese on top, we are going to pop this in the oven for 30 minutes on 350 degrees or until you see it bubbling around the side. One small note on this, make sure you oil your iron skillet really well on the sides so that cleanup is much easier. And voila, 30 minutes later, dinner is ready to be served. And y'all, this is so scrumptious and so filling, you won't believe this is low carb.